This is a video by Rich Pin. Today we're working on a Dodge Neon. This happens to be a 2002 model. And the problem we got today is we have a check engine light and we have a code P0141. Can you see that right there? It is bank 1, sensor 2, and it is the post cat O2 sensor. So today we're going to replace that oxygen sensor. First thing we need to do is get the vehicle up in the air, because we need to get underneath. It's on the catalytic converter, that sensor. So I've got it on ramps right here, and we're going to go underneath there and take that sensor off. Now the first thing we need to do is, this engine is cold right now, so we're going to start the engine up for 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, and that will warm it just enough to help us remove that sensor. Okay, now you can take a little penetrating oil. Wouldn't hurt to spray that on there. And we need to, what we're going to do is we're going to take some dikes and we're going to cut the wire from the sensor to the connector about midway. Now you want to take a nice long 7/8 box wrench. Yeah, it's a tight one. And there she is. And now you can disconnect the electrical connector. There's a little lock right here, and you lift up on it and wiggle it free. And that's the sensor right there. Okay, now when you get your new sensor and take the protective cap off, you want to make sure that it has anti-seize on the threads. Now if it doesn't have any on there, you want to put a little on there. Now you'll need a open end wrench to tighten it. Okay, we're all tight there. Now all we have to do is put the electrical connector back together. Now, before you're done, you want to clear the code in the computer. And that's all there is to replacing your oxygen sensor on your Dodge Neon.